Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete screen time data on iPhone. So if you want to remove all your screen time data or information on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete or remove your screen time data on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to screen time and click on that. Then if your screen time is turned on, then you'll see this data on your daily average. Now to remove this particular data or under all websites and activities, all of this, all you need to do is go ahead, come back to the screen time page, scroll down to the bottom until you see turn off app and website activity and click on that. Then if you set screen time passcode on your iPhone like I do, you'll be prompted to type in the screen time passcode before you can turn off the app and website activity. Then hang on, then you see what that says screen time no longer be reported and all limit and downtime settings will be turned off. So to clear or delete all your data on screen time, just go ahead and click on turn off app and website activity and then hang on. Then that is it. If you scroll up, then you'll see the screen time data has been cleared, and then we need to go ahead and turn on the app and website activity again for you to use your screen time. So that is basically how to remove or delete screen time data on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.